Welcome back to Bilal Tech Academy, guys. So, if you are gotten a Google AI Pro subscription from BilalCreative.com, so if you want to get a Google AI Pro subscription, you can get from BilalCreative.com. But then, let me just show you a way you could add other emails to your subscription. So, I want to say manage, yes, Google One. Just type Google One, yeah, Google One family. Yes, just type Google One family, then it's going to bring you right here. So any of these, you could actually use any of these. So you could come right here to Google One, or you use any of these. I'll use the first one right here. So let's see where it takes us to. So I'm going to click on create a family group, and let's see where it takes us to. So having to create a family group now, all you have to do is to send invitation. So you're going to click on send invitation. So you could add up to 5 emails all at once. So all you have to do is to input the email you want to add to this, then you send to that email. That way you send invites to the email. Once you have an invite sent to that mail, then you could accept the invite. Once you have the invite accepted, that way you're going to share this subscription with that email. So your subscription should be 5 terabytes. As you could see right here, my account storage is 5 terabytes, and I could share it with 5 other people. That means we could actually use 1 terabyte each, not necessarily, but 5 terabyte resources is pooled for 5 users. So you can share it with your other emails, your family members. You could share this particular AI subscription with your family members. If you need the Google AI Pro, subscription, you know where to get it from. So visit a website like BilalCreative.com. You'll see different tools you could use right there. So just come to a website like BilalCreative.com, and this way you're going to see a lot of tools right here. So you can come check this out right now. If you've not subscribed to this channel just yet, do remember to subscribe. We bring educational content to you and all that. Without further ado, do check all these tools out, and if you want to add your email to your Google AI Pro subscription, do add it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.